CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.4. Given a scenario, configure basic mobile device network connectivity and application support. Location services. In today's interconnected world, mobile device location services are the invisible threads that weave together our digital experiences with the physical world. That is why this video will assist you in understanding how these services pinpoint our location and interact with the technology around us. Let's begin with the basics. GPS stands for Global Positioning System. It's a network of satellites orbiting Earth, which provide location and time information to a GPS receiver found in many devices like your smartphone or navigation unit in cars. Imagine it as a cosmic dance where satellites continuously broadcast their location and your device listens in. Using this information, it can determine its position on the globe. You can also consider GPS as an echolocation system, where each signal bounce helps to map out where you are. Apart from GPS, cellular signals are also used for something known as device triangulation. This method utilizes the signal from cell towers. Your mobile device constantly communicates with nearby towers, and by measuring the strength of your signal to multiple towers, a location can be inferred. The more towers your device can see, the more precise the location. It's akin to finding the center point of a triangle when you know its 3 corners. Now that we know a little about how location services work, we should probably move on to the security aspect. Your applications often need to know your location to function correctly. For example, a weather app needs to know where you are in order to provide the forecast for your area. However, you have control over which apps can access this data in order to prevent application misuse. With each application, you have the power to grant or deny permissions to location data, ensuring that only trusted applications have access to your location. Lastly, we have a few location settings to consider. These settings allow you to control the accuracy and the battery usage of your location services. The high accuracy mode uses both GPS and local cellular networks to determine your location. This is more precise but can consume more battery. Battery saving mode, on the other hand, uses only local cellular networks, not GPS, to save power. And the device-only mode relies solely on GPS and is useful when you are out of your service carrier's coverage area but still need location information. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.